Daddy. There's an old man on that roof.
Come off that roof, old man. It's not safe up there. I'm stuck up here. I need help.
Oh no, this is serious, Adam. How are we gonna get him down? Look over there, Daddy. We could use that. An excavator? I can't drive one of those. Let's check and see. Quick, let's go inside. Aha, there's a key. Daddy, I'm gonna try and drive it.
Whoa, it's so light. Help me, help!
Okay, Daddy, I need to try and save that man before the house falls down. Okay, just be careful, Adam. Gently does it.
What? Get up the bucket! No, I can't! I'm too scared!
That was crazy. Adam, how did you even know how to drive that thing? I don't know, Daddy, I just drove it.
I am so happy that you saved me. Wait. You can drive my excavator?
Yes, I can.
You must be a very special boy. It hasn't worked in years. Thanks again for saving me.
You're welcome.
Adam, since you can drive that excavator, you can keep it. Because no one else knows how to work the thing.
Okay, thank you.
More than that old excavator than meets the eye. Any questions about it, I'll be here in the forest. Come and ask me.
I think there might be some magic in that excavator, Daddy. Maybe it is, son. Who knows? But for now, it's bedtime. Come on, I'll tuck you in.